let's consider the curve f of x equals 1 minus x squared. Now, I've graphed it on the interval from -1 to 1. And first thing is to find these integrals. And if we're going to find the integral from -1 to +1, what we're looking for is this area. Now, what you can do is you can just plug it into your calculator, calculate it that way, which is kind of what I expect you to do. Otherwise, you're going to have to take the integral of 1 minus x squared, which will be x minus 1/3 x cubed, and evaluate it from -1 to +1. So when we plug in 1, we'll have 1 minus 1/3, which is 2/3, minus, and then you'd plug in -1 and get -1 minus -1/3, which is another -2/3. So adding them together will give us 4/3 for a solution. Anyway, similarly, for the next one, we want to integrate from 1 to 2. What we're doing is finding this area, the part that's under the curve, from 1 to 2. Now, you can do it the same way by hand, or you can plug it into your calculator, and that you'll find out is going to be -4/3. So, if we want to find the overall area from -1 to +2, all we have to do is take these two integrals and add them together, and that'll give us an integral of 0. All right. So now, finding the areas, that takes a little bit more thought, but if we're going to find the area bound by f of x and the x-axis, that is only talking about this area right here, the one that's completely enclosed by the curve and the x-axis. And we already found that area in part A, so that one is going to be 4/3. Now, if we want to find the area of the region enclosed by f of x and the x-axis from -1 to 2, then we're talking about both of these areas, the red area and the blue area. Now, we know the red area is 4/3, and we know that the blue area is down below the x-axis, so we need to subtract that area because that area is negative. So subtracting the area ends up adding it. So altogether, there's going to be an area of 8/3 in total.